Hi guys and welcome to another episode of the Edge Production. Today we have got the Bakeey B57 smart bracelet. So here's the box and here are some product parameters and here are the colors variable. So we're gonna talk about the specification of the watch later and let's unbox it. First you come across the instruction manual. Hero Band 3, that's the application you need to download to set up your watch. And the instruction manual is smart book and it comes in many languages, so we're gonna put that aside. Here's the Bakeey B57. And here is its chart. So I'll show you how the charger goes into the watch later. First open the Bakeey B57. So the size of the watch is quite comparable and small. The strap is good. So now we're gonna see how the charger goes in. There are two pins here and these two pins that go in like this, and we plug this part of the charger into a plug. Turn it on. So as you can see, this thing has no boot up. BP, SpO2, exercise, timer, message, shutter, player, and this is settings. We'll go into the settings, timer, mute. As you can see, it is also the brightness option, which a few watches come with. So we're gonna reset. Shut down back.
About its body, the body is made up of a very glossy plastic which makes it very attractive. To the screen is 1.3-inch IPS color display. The resolution is 720p, which means it is HD, and the watch is also IP67 waterproof. Coming to the strap, it is made up of TPU, which is really flexible and quite durable. Back, we got the charging pin and the sensor, which measures the blood pressure and heart rate. And believe that, ye aapko